in the chapter Body Fluids and Circulation, Human Physiology for class 11th in zoology subject. And this time we are studying the cardiac cycle. Cardiac cycle, also called as the heartbeat. The heart pumps the blood to all parts of the body. It pumps for 7,000 liters. It pumps over 7,000 liters of blood daily. Force that propels the blood comes from the contraction of cardiac muscles, which forms the heart wall. As a result, the cardiac muscle cells contract in two dimensions, wringing the blood out of the heart with a great force. The heart contracts more than 2.5 billion times in a lifetime. During the lifetime, the heart shows contraction 2.5 billion times. To pump out blood, the heart chambers undergo alternate contraction. That alternate contraction is called systole, and relaxation, that is termed as diastole. Systole and diastole. Systole is the contraction. Systole is the contraction, and diastole is the relaxation. A regular sequence of three events takes place during one cardiac cycle: auricular systole, ventricular systole, and the joint diastole. Auricular systole means when the left auricle and the left ventricle contract, they force the blood into the ventricles. This comprises auricular systole. When the ventricular systole takes place, they contract and they force the blood to the arteries and veins to all parts of the body. That comprises ventricular systole. Then the third stage is joint diastole. Joint diastole comprises a stage when both of the auricles and the ventricles relax. This forms the complete cardiac diastole. Relaxation of both auricles and ventricles during the completion of one heartbeat. This is known as heartbeat or one cardiac cycle. One complete heartbeat cardiac cycle lasts for about 0.8 seconds. It takes 0.8 seconds for the one cardiac cycle. In these, there are three components. The auricular systole takes 0.1 seconds. The ventricular systole takes 0.3 seconds, and the joint diastole takes 0.4 seconds. The summation of all these is 0.8 seconds, which comprises one heartbeat. This is all about the cardiac cycle or heartbeat.